It's a sign of the working man, the man that you don't get down to love, the man you don't understand. The most honest thing is wondering. You made a promise to last to the end, and then you let them down. Then you complain when all the riot and the time, but it's your fault. It's a sign of the working man, the man that you do